ay shocking. Ay. Hello friends, Lilibet ng South Korea. Salot. Nandito ang ating camera. Oy, shocking. Nagpula ka naman dong, oy. Mo kung dututan dong. Thankfully, the road is clean. Kasi nung nag-snow, kasi nung nakaraan, friends, super lakas talaga ng snow. Dito ako, muntik na ako sumimplang, friends. The exact place is this place. This place is a nightmare for me. Yeah. Muntik na ako sumimplang talaga, friends. Pumunta ako sa... My car went to the other side, the other lane. Many times. I think 10 times. I can't control my car because of the black ice. Yeah, American friends, is so scary during winter time in South Korea. Hala. Wala tayong payong? Shit. Ang lakas ng snow. Paano yan? Naku po, Lili. Nakalimutan ang payong na malaki. Hindi ko makita eh. Kailangan natin bumilis, friends. Takot naman oy. Hala, grabe naman to. Super lakas ng snow. Nakita nyo? Parang hindi makita dyan sa camera American friends. Did you see the snow? It's so much snowy today. 6 a.m. in the morning, March 18, 2025. So scary. Nagsasalita ako, tumakbo ako ng... Bawal kasi tumakbo dito ng mabilis eh. Kasi nakakatakot ba? Baka mamaya eh. Pero 80 tayo, friends, 80. 80 is okay. Don't run 100 in this place because it's so slippery and so scary. Just run slowly, Lily. I don't know what time is it now, but I really need to run very slowly, very carefully. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Enjoy kayo eh. Ako hindi nag-enjoy eh. I'm scared eh. But not so scared. If you are scared and you cannot drive in the snow, you can't earn big money in South Korea. You need to be strong. Yeah. You need to be strong to drive in the snow. Because this is our life in South Korea. Yes. That is why if you want to earn big money, you need to drive. Yeah, especially when your house have no bus. But if I have bus, I don't need to drive, no. I don't need to buy a car. It's nice to ride a bus. But in South Korea, American friends, there's no more bus at all. I mean, there's a bus, but there's a time. Not only in the Philippines, not like in the Philippines, that there's always a bus. There's always jeepney and tricycle. But in South Korea, in my place, there's only bus once in 2 hours. So how can you work? Oh my God, wala pala tayong camera. Daldal pa more. Yung black eyes ko, black. Ayan siya, friends, yung ay hindi pala. Forklift pala siya, forklift. Yung naglilinis ng snow ba? Anong sabi ko? Did you see that, American friends? Sus Maria Josep Ginoo. Oh! Heavy snow! Snowy! Snowy! So, lots of snow! I mean, snowy. Super daming snow. Nag-ulan ng snow. American friends. Snowy over. Too much. Gosh. Lisan mo, Lily. Late ka na, Lily. Katakot, no? Hindi, napakalakas ng snow. Hindi mo makita dyan, American friends. You can't see, but I can see here in my 2 eyes. Snowy. Lots of snow. falling. Snowfall. Snowfall. I miss you, American friends. I told you, friends, as I told you, my American friends help me to finish my long story when my English become tumbling na. We talk 10 years. We're talking 10 years, especially when we have no class in school. We're talking whole day. Whole day. Yeah, sometimes you have no class, no. We're talking whole day with pay. Sometimes because students go somewhere, something like that, diba? What a great memories. Nagpatinapa, wala na akong makita, nagpatinapa. Paano yan? Wala tayong payong. Nagtinapa talaga, Lili, oh. Hindi na ba na-struggle yung nasa likod natin, ang bagal-bagal natin, no? Teka lang, may butas dito, eh. Late na ata tayo, Lili. Bye-bye! Lili, bitang sa ko yan. Salot, bye-bye!